We welcome you come Aka Jesus TV, number one YouTube channel for Ogbonge news and confirmed story. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Aka Jesus TV and Twitter at Aka Jesus 4.
Hello friends, good day and welcome again to our YouTube channel. And today I want just giving a latest update on the world of Biafra. And when I get here first with me, we say Nnamdi Kanu don review Biafra states of government. Where we say he can also name 7 nations we go make up the Biafra. The leaders of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, he don't release this kind of government where we say Biafra go rule as soon as the thing they finally actualize. This one, talking about a statement where we say signed by the Publicity Secretary Emmanuel Powerful with the title, "This is for those of us who do not know how Biafra system of government go be like." According to Nnamdi Kanu response and talk when he give after Keme ask some question. The question read as follow. I beg pardon me, make I read down for good English. What is the proposed constitution of the upcoming United States of Biafra? Can we get a draft copy of it in the public domain now that it will be necessary before our campaign and towards the pending globally accepted Biafra referendum? And now the kind of respond say, Biafra go run a unique political system designed to cater for the need of our people. He say we go have nations states. We go also have the Igbo nation within Biafra. We go also have the Efik nation within Biafra. We go have the Anag nation within Biafra. If they so choose, we go also have the Ijaw nation within Biafra. I also have the Isoko nation within Biafra, the Idoma nation within Biafra, and the Igala nation within Biafra. According to him, say our system of government will be autonomous. Each nation state go control the resources of their own land. The only thing we say go bind us together now when we get common defense policy, common economic policy, common policy in health and education. He said, in the rest, let the people develop according to the pace that they wish or they decide among themselves to go by. All right, he come further added that the law they go do them in local languages. Igbo Parliament go make their own law in Igbo language. Ijaw Parliament go make their own law in Ijaw language, and the same thing go apply to Ibibo and others. So that when people they lie to us, we go know say that they lie to us, because it is easy to lie for English language. It is very good to lie in English language too, but you know if you deceive the people, you know if you deceive the people because they hear the actual language where you they speak and can't understand and where now what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk. All right, another one we get we say. All right, Lagos explosion they say now to target Igbo's own business. Now waiting IPOB they talk. The leaders of the indigenous people of Biafra, they don't say that the explosion in Lagos State on Sunday now to across and to wipe away Igbo's home and businesses waiting for Abule Ado in Lagos State. The pro-Biafra group, in a statement signed by its spokesman comrades Emmanuel Powerful, also alleged of an attempt to attack 14,000 churches in the southeast by the same people where attack Abule Ado in Lagos State. IPOB calling on the international community to hold the Nigerian government responsible for waiting to happen. They describe it as a genocide where they go on in Christian communities across the country. Accuse the Southeast governor of failing to protect its citizens. According to IPOB, the group they force them to defend themselves in order to keep the Southeast safe for inhabitation. The bomb explosion in Lagos say they clearly targeted to Igbo homes and businesses. Say our race is sleepwalking into a disaster worse than any seen before by an endangered people. According to Waiting in Federal Talk, say the intelligence gathering by IPOB don't review that about 14,000 churches are already been marked for bombing by the terrorists. Where we say they don't deploy to the zone. Now waiting the IPOB dey talk. Okay, I get more to give una. Abeg una just stand to with me as I dey give una more tori on Biafra. Well, Nnamdi Kanu don talk again. He don explain why Buhari no fit address Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu, the leaders of the indigenous people of Biafra, on Wednesday, he don reacted to Senate's call, say that President Muhammadu Buhari should immediately address Nigeria over the scourge of coronavirus. But following the outbreak of the virus in the country, Buhari don fail to address Nigeria on the disease that has continue to spread. But lawmaker don't charge the president to give an update on the on within the government they plan to do to address the issue of coronavirus. But Kanu don't claim say Buhari no go fit unmask himself as Jubrin El Shaddai. So El Sudan. So he no go fit come address the people, because if he come, they go unmask him. In a statement website personally signed by the IPOB leader, Buhari consider that Buhari has no interest in the disease where they affect Nigeria. Kanu come further say that according to the world, we are lawmakers. Kanu consider that a country in the world where we say lawmaker they beg a supposedly democratic elected president to address them in a time of unprecedented global pandemic. For those who say just start newly, I just want to let know say Nigeria not be nation now waiting Nnamdi Kanu talk. He say because they refer to waiting Chief Obafemi Awolowo don't talk before. He say Nigeria is just a mere political expression created by a Scotch man and a Christian Nigeria by his English concubine for purely British economic interests. He say anybody they refer to Nigeria as a nation cannot be regarded as an intelligent being. The confidence say Jubrin El Sudani, where they masquerade himself as Buhari, no fit can address Nigeria at all, because this country Nigeria na helpless British experimental guinea pig where they call Nigeria, because Abakari and the rest of the cabal they afraid that if Buhari come aside, they go mark them during the cross examination by journalists. The confidant say that they go force them to stand for hours up close and personal as others head of states around the world they do, so that you go do the same thing. But the fact remains say if you bring come aside to come address the citizen, he say the thing go expose. According to Nnamdi Kanu, he said Jubrin is a Sudanese citizen, so he don't get the interest of if coronavirus like make it kill anybody. Say he don't get the interest of Nigeria for in mind. Say sadly Abakari and his fellow handlers of the Zoo Republic now they dare not hold an open press conference. Saying they no try open press conference in the garden of their so-called Aso Rock, because that is a tantamount way to expose the fake Buhari, because they know say the heat of the sun will be inevitably meant Jubrin's makeup, and a combination of close proximity of TV camera lens and questions from journalists will complete the process of unraveling the Fulani fraud of the country. Let them try and see. The world is waiting. Now waiting Nnamdi Kanu talk. The world is waiting. Okay, we should wait whether Buhari go still come address the country regarding the challenge we they face, or we go just keep quiet and do the whole way we say if you do. Okay guys, now waiting we get to give now the roundup of Biafra news today, March 18, 2020. Thanks for listening. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press notification bell. Now do.